Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to copy your GitHub profile link quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the GitHub website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Your Profile. Now, you'll be taken to your GitHub profile page. At the top of your browser, you will see the URL in the address bar. This is your GitHub profile link. To copy it, simply click once on the address bar to highlight the entire link. Then, right-click and select Copy from the menu, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or Command-C if you're using a Mac. To confirm that you've copied the link correctly, open a new tab in your browser and paste the link by right-clicking in the address bar and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command-V press Enter, and it will take you directly to your GitHub profile. And that's how you can easily copy your GitHub profile link. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.